In this lesson we will do exercise 2, which is this sketch. We will create together this sketch. This is also very simple sketch, but this time this is symmetry type sketch. So good practice is to keep your sketch center at the origin. First I will take a sketch on this front plane. Now I will create a rectangle with front midpoints. I will start from center. Right side of the mouse you can see this is showing coincident. That means it will create coincident geometric relation on that point. Now I will put few dimension. This dimension is 200 and this is 150. And here this sketch center at the origin, because this is sketch shape symmetry. So here this is my sketch. This should be 125, so I will change this to 125. Then I have to create these two circles. Both circles are equal and also equal distance from the center. So this is 45, this is 50. So let's make two circles. Now I have to create relation between this line or point, so I will select it. Also press and hold Ctrl key in your keyboard, then press this. I can make a coincident mate, or quickest way is move it to here and it will create the relation for you. Also if you want, the most quickest way is create the circle on this line. This will create coincident geometric relation automatically. I'm done, so I will press select. Now I will select these two and make equal, then put dimension 50. Now from here to this center this will be 45. I will deactivate this smart dimension tool. Now both circles will stay at the same distance from the center. So I can put one more dimension here, which is 45, but this is not the best way. I will delete it. I will select this point, press and hold your Ctrl key in your keyboard, then this point, also this line, all three together. Then release Ctrl key. And here you can see this is showing make symmetry, which is also showing from here. So if I apply this geometric relation make symmetry, you will see this is also black. So if I change from 45 to 60, if this dimension change, then exactly same dimension will be from this center to this center line. So another important thing you have to keep in mind, when it is possible, put geometric relation to reduce the number of dimension. That way you can get more ultimate control on your sketch. I'm changing this to 45 because inside the sketch this says this is 45.